This furniture restoration video almost didn't happen. Let's get back to this stinky but beautiful mid-century modern dresser. As a reminder, when I brought it home, it was a solid 10 out of 10 on the musty smell scale. After vinegar washes, 3 full rounds of vodka sprayed on every surface, and letting it sit out in the sun for 3 days, I've managed to knock that smell down to about a 5, which finally made it workable. Today it's time to finish the job. I started by giving everything a final sanding with 220 grit, being careful not to burn through the veneer. I also had to glue and clamp one of the loose set of dovetail joints and fill a few very minor holes and chipped areas before moving on. Next, I used the remaining half can of shellac I had on hand on all of the exterior surfaces. I have another can on the way for sealing the interior, but I had just enough to seal all the areas that I plan to stain. Next, I sanded down a small patch of Bondo on the lower corner and gave everything a light, even sanding. That step is crucial after the shellac and to prepare the surface properly for stain. Then came one of my favorite moments. I hand-applied a stain in the color American Walnut. I was thrilled to see the beauty of the wood grain come through. I applied one coat, wiped it back, and realized it was exactly the tone I was hoping for. The slatted drawers were a little tedious, but I made sure to get the stain out of every crack and edge around each slat. Overall, the color looked great, but there were a few lighter areas where the original hardware had been. So I brought out my new favorite tool, which is Walnut Toner. I use it sparingly, but in this case, I sprayed just those areas where the light spots had been, just to even everything out. I decided not to sand the lower portion since the finish was still in good shape. Instead, I used a gel stain in Kona, which was very close to the original color. I put on one coat all along the base and the 2 wooden slats visible on the front, and then wiped it all down. I was so paranoid about leaving the dresser out overnight and ruining that brand new stain that I brought everything in for the evening. I hand-applied a coat of polyurethane, drizzling it on and then wiping it back. I did the flat drawers and all the slatted drawers, and then came back and did the top and the sides of the dresser. I let everything dry overnight, and then I gave it a light sanding in the morning and followed up with a second coat. My final step was adding a bit of stain to the inside cabinet edges that showed when the drawers are closed. I suspected the knobs that came with this dresser weren't the original, and sure enough, the originals had these amazing rectangular plates with hanging knockers. I couldn't find anything similar, so I ended up ordering some MCM style pulls that should arrive in about a week. But for now, here's what it looks like with the temporary pulls. This is the first true restoration I've done in a long time, and I'm absolutely thrilled with the results. That warm walnut grain against the dark base just pops. And honestly, even though I've probably said this before, this might be my favorite all-wood piece I've ever done. And that's saying a lot after having done hundreds of projects. Please share your reactions in the comments and tell me whether you think I'm doing it justice with the new pulls I have on order. My name is Meg, and I show you practical tips for refinishing and flipping furniture. Be sure to hit the follow button for more.